Hi everyone! In this tutorial we will learn how to make an animated tree in Blender. Let's go! First of all, delete everything. Then go to Edit, Preferences. Then go to Add-on and type Sapling Tree. Then enable it. Now press Shift-A. Go to Curve and select Sapling Tree. Now we have a nice tree. Cool! We can access the setting from the panel at the bottom left. Now from the preset menu you can choose any kind of tree. You can adjust the size from the scale value. From the resolution parts you can set the smooth of branches. The higher the resolution, the lower your rendering speed will eventually be, but the higher the quality. From the shape part you can choose what branches you want. And if you put it on custom shape, you can adjust it by your own. Okay, let's go to branch radius. Play with ratio and radius scale and branch radius ratio for find your favorite radius. Now go to branch splitting. In this part you can adjust how the branches form and split here. From level part you can increase or decrease your sub-branches. The base splits determine how many main branches split from the trunk. We can also set the trunk height. Let's go to branch growth and set the taper crown to whatever you want. Now go to leaves. Check the show leaves. Wow! This is beautiful. From this part you can set the number of leaves. Now put the leaf shape on rectangular. And put the leaf scale on 1. Now we can add image texture in PNG format. Now let's go for animated. Select armature. Check use armature and make mesh. Then go to animation. Now check the armature animation and leaf animation. Now just play. Cool! If you increase or decrease the overall wind strength you will notice that the tree is affected by the wind. If the settings disappears just hit the F9 key. Okay. Time to add material. Go to render and put the engine on cycles and device on GPU. Now go to the world part and from the color select environment texture. Now just add a HDRI. You can download any HDRI on polyhaven.com. I put mine into description. Now select the render. Nice. But we don't need these cars and trees. We just need the sunlight on our tree. So go to render and then on film check the transparent. Now we have a transparent background. Split the viewport. Select shader editor. Select the leaves and click on the new button. Select principled and press Shift T. Now from this part add your PNG leaf picture. I will share the download link in the description. But you can see these leaves has black background. Let's fix it. First connect alpha to alpha. Then add translucent BSDF. And connect color to color. Now add a mix shader and place it between output and principled. And connect BSDF to shader. OK. Just look at our leaves. Beautiful. Now play. Great. Now select the trunk. Go to polyhaven.com and in textures find your best trunk texture. Download the zip file. Don't forget to extract it. Go to Shader Editor again. Select the principled and press Ctrl-Shift-T, and select all your texture. Go to Mapping and connect object to vector. For all of texture, select box. Now just increase the blend. OK. And this is our trunk. Let me add a plane and add it some color, and see the final part. And this is our nice tree. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next video, goodbye.